Good day, good people. Makadini kwese kwa muri. In today's lesson, we continue with mensuration, tichitarisa interior angles of a polygon. So before we get into our lesson, just something quick. Our color coding is going to be, we write in white what we are expected to put in our notes. Saka zvese zvatanyora in the color white should be part of your notes. Asi zvatinonyora in other colors, these are just illustrations. Kureva kuti you can add them to your notes or not, depending on how you learn. So when we look at this subtopic in the topic mensuration, we are considering interior angles. We have to understand, and I think this is quite obvious, the word interior points to inside something. But since we are talking about polygons, which are shapes, so it's basically inside a shape. So maangles atiri kutarisa maangles anowanikwa mukati meshape, ndiko kuti interior angles. So this is what we want to learn, and let us get to it. The first note we have to consider is this one. Tofunga kuziva kuti the sum of angles, kana kuti the sum of interior angles, the sum of interior angles for a n-sided polygon, cannot n-sided shape, let me use shape for the sake of simplicity, is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So this is an important fact, and it contains a formula, that's why we are boxing it. Kana tichiti the sum of interior angles, tiri kuti tikatora a shape, then to consider ma angles ari mukati me shape. If we add up every angle inside the shape, the total, the sum we get, can be considered using this formula, n minus 2 times 180. It is also important to take note what patiri kuti sum of interior angles, saka togona ngoti sum of interior angles and is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. We should then know kuti n inoi iri kurepresenta chi number of sides, and I think we have been using n to represent number of sides from the earlier lessons under this cluster mensuration. So that is important. But if we want to show you the efficacy of this formula, n minus 2 times 180, we just consider a triangle. So if we have a triangle like this, chatiri kuti internal kana kuti interior angles, ma angles ari mukati. And we know since grade 4 kuti tikaedha ma angles ese ari mukati me triangle tinowana 180 degrees. So tikada kuziva sum of interior angles in triangle, the sum of interior angles in triangle, then we write our formula is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. But how many sides do we have on a triangle? We have 3 sides. So if we replace n uno una 3, it becomes 3 minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees, which is equal to 3 minus 21. So it's 1 multiplying 180 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So this is how you remember, this is how I remembered this formula, n minus 2 times 180. I just imagined a triangle. Zvataita apa serves to prove to us kuti that is the formula which gives us the sum of interior angles. And I have to emphasize the importance of this part, interior angles. Let us do our first practice question tione kuti tinoaplya sei information yatabva kudzidza. This is going to be our first practice question. Iri kungoti calculate the size of each angle of a regular heptagon. So when we are answering this question, we have to acknowledge kutanga kuti a heptagon, it has 7 sides. Saka kana tatokangana kuti heptagon ine 7 sides, tinenge tatotsvirira pa this particular question. So maybe for the benefit of all, let us do this. Saka panapa tikutarisa number of sides, then per side toda kuisa the name of polygon, just to revise. So ekutanga, they are fairly easy. Like if we have 3 sides, it's called a triangle. 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. 5 sides is called a pentagon. In I usually remember the military building in the United States, the Pentagon. Then 6 is called a hexagon. 7 ndiyo heptagon. 8 inonzi octagon. I remember this using an octopus which has 8 tentacles. 9 nonagons, zinenge kufanana kuti 9 nekuti nonagon. Then tinowanzogumira pa number 10, which is a decagon. And I remember this, remembering a decade, which is a period of 10 years. Saka a heptagon has 7 sides. Ndopekutanga. But remember earlier in our cluster, we discussed regular. Tikati whenever a polygon, a shape is called regular, so reva kuti the lengths of the sides are equal. But even though the lengths of the sides are equal, chimwe chiri equal are what? Interior angles. And I remember giving an example using an equilateral triangle where we saw that every side has the same length. Tikaona zvakare kuti every interior angle is 60 degrees. Takashandisa futi square, tikaona kuti having 4 equal sides means every interior angle is 90 degrees. So that is important. Looking at that question, calculate the size of each angle of a regular heptagon. So at the moment yatinodza kuti calculate the size of an angle, tinotoya panapa tonyora kuti, what do we write panapa? Sum of interior angles of heptagon. So the sum of interior angles of heptagon, cannot a heptagon, is equal to chi? N minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. But we know kuti n is equal to 7, since n represents the number of sides and the heptagon has 7 sides. This means tengeta kuti chi? To replace n na 7. So it's 7 minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees, which is equal to 7 minus 25 multiplying 180 degrees. And what do we get when we multiply 180 degrees times 5? So 180 times 5, we get 900. Saka the sum of every angle is 900 degrees. But is that our answer? That's not our answer. Zvataita panapa, let me just show you per side. I don't know if I'm going to be able to draw a heptagon. Kubuditsa 7 sides. Dzingangobuda sidzenge tsiri regular. Saka let me try. Saka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Saka murikuona, these are regular. Kurova kuti they are of the same length panapa. Then we have interior angles which should also be 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that. Saka number 900E, it's just tatora tuma angle tweso to 7. Tuka to add tunowana chin 900 degrees. Mapaona. But question yedu iri kuti calculate the size of each angle. Saka each angle, that's singular kana tiri kuchirungu. Tiri kuda size ye angle 1 of a regular heptagon. Saka there are ways of thinking about this. There is an intuitive way. Yongoziva kuti since ma angles aya yakafanana, size of one angle, so the size of one angle inenge equal to 900 degrees to divide the number of angles, which is 7. Saka what do we get when we divide 900 by 7? Tinowana 128 4/7 degrees. This will be our final answer. Saka this is a way of thinking about it intuitively. But if you are my student and you know how much I prefer proportion, we can do this using proportion. So call it a method number 2, an alternative method, where you are going to say, kana 7 ma angles, saka ndoti 7 angles, achitipa kana kuti tikama eda achiva equal to 900 degrees. Ko one angle inenge iri equal to chi, hatizive, saka tinoti chi x. So let me just continue working yacho panapa. So tingeta kuti chi 7/1 and is equal to 900/x. Then cross multiplication. Inozoreva kuti x uyu ari kubva kuno kari denominator ari kuno multiply that numerator. 7 times x is equal to 1. Ari kubva kuno achino multiply 900. So it's just 900 times 1. Like this. Which then means 7x is equal to 900. Kuti tiwane x could divide both sides na 7. Ma 7 ayo cheka na x is equals to 900/7. And before we even try to work anything, mukatarisa panapa you are going to see kuti this 900/7 is apparently the same thing chataita panapa. Uzona. So it's the same thing. Saka you can use an intuitive way of thinking about this, which should be to most of us, or which should be, generally speaking, obvious. Or you can opt to think mathematically. But that is how we get to our answer. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Let us go to the second question we want to deal with in this lesson. Question yedu iri kuti, the sum of 7 of the angles of a nonagon is 1000 degrees. The other two angles are equal to each other. Calculate the sizes of the other two angles. Saka tiri kudila ne nonagon, and we know kuti a nonagon has how many sides? So a nonagon, it has 9 sides. That's where we start. Ndobva taudzwa kuti the sum of 7 of the angles of a nonagon is 1000. Saka 7 tikutoziva kutoti tikama eda tinowana 1000. Hatina kuudziva kuti this is regular, take note. Saka we cannot make an assumption that we are dealing with a regular nonagon. That is a nonagon. So question yedu iri kuti 7 mukaverenga ma interior angles anenge ari mukati me a shape anenge ari equal to the number of sides. And like you can imagine a triangle. We have 3 sides and we have 3 interior angles. So they always go hand in glove. The number of sides is equal to the number of interior angles. Saka panapa tiri kuti 7 interior angles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Tikadzi add idzi dziri kutipa 1000 degrees. Saka the sum of 7 interior angles is equal to 1000 degrees. Question rikuendera mberi chiti the other two angles are equal to each other. Saka ma angles ari kureva nde E ne ish. They are equal to each other. And kureva kuti this angle is the same as that angle. Then the actual question is to calculate the sizes of the two angles. So we need to calculate the sizes of these two angles. How do we go about it? So the first thing we do is we need to find out what is the sum of interior angles of a nonagon. So sum of interior angles and it of a nonagon. This should be equal to, what is the formula? N minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. But we know for a nonagon, satechiti where n is equal to 9 because it has 9 sides. Saka therefore cannot, that is, we are replacing n with 9. 9 minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees, which is equal to 7 multiplying 180 degrees, which is equal to what? Saka it's 180 multiplying 7, we get 1260 degrees. Saka tika edda ma angles 7 aya plus 2 aya tinowana chi 126 degrees. But let me remove this part. I think maona, but let me keep it. What rather we want to do panaba is, since taona kuti the sum of interior angles of a nonagon is 1260, if we read the first part, the sum of 7 of the angles of a nonagon is 1000. The other two angles are equal to each other. Saka chekutanga tichati sum of the other two angles. Toda kuziva kuti what is the sum of my angles aya ari 2. It is going to be equal to sum of 9 angles, which is my angles as a nonagon, subtracting sum of 7 angles. I hope it makes sense. My angles as are 9. Tikama add anotipa 1260. But 7 ato eddewa kudhara kwatanga tisiri vakawana 1000. So if we subtract the sum of 7 from the sum of 9, tinosara ne the sum of 2. This is equal to sum of 9 angles ndiyo yatacalculate panapa 1260 degrees subtract sum of 7 angles ndiyo yatapiwa mquestion 1000 degrees. This is obviously equal to 260 degrees. Then let us reread the question. Calculate the sizes of the other two angles. So the word sizes is telling us kuti tikuda the size of just one angle. Like tikuda the size of each angle. But we have been told nonetheless kuti these are equal. We shouldn't forget kuti once the other two are equal, kuroti tikawana ye 1 tinenge tatowana yese. Okay? So what we do here is tinenge takungoti sum of one angle, it's basically half of this 260 degrees dividing 2 into 2 1 into 2 1 into 6 3 into 0 0, which is equal to 130 degrees. Of course, you can use the proportional way of doing things, but since I have demonstrated it earlier, this is the easiest way of going about it, the intuitive way. So I think we'll settle with this one. You can try as a task the proportion one to see if you arrive at the same answer. But our answer there is 130 degrees. Before we move on to our third practice question, we want to reimagine yandiroda kuti sum formula. And let us reimagine it. It's unnecessary, but let us do so. So the sum formula is n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. Question yatoda kufunza ndeye kuti what if 180 degrees is replaced by 90 degrees? How do we change the form? So this is just an additive. Otherwise, muchiziva n minus 2 times 180, you are home and try, you are okay. So at this, so tinogrewa ndezvekuti this 180 tinge takuinyora yakadai so times 2 times 90. So we have re-expressed kana broken down 180 toinyora as 2 times 90. Since 2 times 90 is equal to 180. Then we take these 2, we get it inside the bracket. So again get 2 times n. Tichishandisa the normal way of multiplying yatosiva. Then 2 times minus 2, the minus 4, 90 degrees. Saka you might find other books expressing it like this. But I'm telling you, this is enough for you. We see in this form is enough. Let us go to our third practice question and see what we get from it. Our question says, the sum of the angles of a polygon is 1980. How many sides has the polygon? So I've seen with Patopiki, they can be quite creative. So exposure to as many questions as possible is the only trick part. It's the only way of surviving. Saka, this question, let us try to follow it and do everything required. Taudzwa kuti the sum of the angles of a polygon is 190. It's 1980. 1980. How many sides is the polygon? So let us write our formula down. And our formula says the sum of interior angles. The sum of interior angles is given by cannot equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. But tatoudzwa kuti the sum of the angles of a polygon is 1980. Saka sum of interior angles of this particular polygon is equal to 1980. 1980, 1980. Saka, it's logical to then conclude that is n minus 2 times 180 degrees should give us 1980 degrees. This is a correct, accurate mathematical statement using many arguing tools. Firstly, you can use transitivity. If A is equals to B and A is equals to C, therefore B is equal to C. That's one way of arguing. Saka sum of interior angles is n minus 280. Sum of interior angles again is 1980. Saka is equal. Kana kungoti intuitively tapiwa the sum already. Track the number of sides. We still have to use the formula yatinoziva. Ndiyo ichatilida to the number of sides. In simpler terms, panapa what we just want to do is we want to solve for n. Remember, n represents the number of sides. So let us solve for n. So we have n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees, which is equal to 1980 degrees. There are many ways of killing a cat, especially now, but I would argue, right, that we can do it like this. Tinogona kuemploya that fancy method yekuti we divide everything inside the equation with a common factor. Satichadivida na 180 degrees panapa na 180 degrees futi. Saka 180 ichanocheka 180 kunoko. Kungosara bracket ra n minus 2. Then aya masero ari kuchekana. Tikati 18 into 18 ndi 1. 18 into 19 ndi 1 with the remainder of 1. And 18 into 18 ndi 1. What it means is kunoku kuna n minus 2 are equal to kuside uku kuna 11. Then tudawana n, saka n is just equal to 11 plus 2, which is equal to 13 sides. So kutoti mukada kutsvaga kuti shape ine ma sides 13, ma interior angles acho anoita sum up to chi. That's what you are going to get, I bet. Okay, another way of doing this is a more classical traditional one where we go by n minus 2. Let me use a different color for reference. So to put n minus 2, 180 degrees and is equal to 1980 degrees. So let us remove brackets. 180 times n the 180 n. 180 times minus 2 the minus 360. This is equal to 1980. Triguda n. Saka 180 n is equal to 1980 plus, and I remember, 360. What do we get from 1980 plus 360? Tunawana 2340. 2340. Saka 180 n is equal to 2340. Tika divide both sides na 180. Masoro yashito cancelana. N is equal to chi. Saka let me put it in our calculator. 234 dividing 18 is equal to 13. So as you can clearly see, answer yatrukuwana is the same as the answer yatawana pana. So you pick your poison. Either you go by the classical way. The important thing is to arrive at the answer, full stop. Doesn't matter how you get there, so long how you get there is mathematically feasible. Korewa kuti it's mathematically reproducible. Amna kugesa kana kuti se. So the next part of our exercise is to give you an exercise, a practice exercise, which you get at exercise 5b. This is New General Mathematics 3, chapter 5. So I would elect kuti muite number 1c. Then do not meet everything number 2. Mabva ipapo. Do not meet a number 5, then lastly number 10. But top priority number 5. So please itai number 5. Number 5 yakakosha. So kuti rekati toita tese tibatsirane number 5. And I'm sorry, I meant number 6. Saka it's number 6, not number 5. Saka yatrukitai number 6. The question is saying in Fig 5.11, first find the value of x, then find the unknown angles in each polygon. So we count the number of sides and 1. So tudatanga A, we count the number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saka A inechi 5 sides. Then the next step, what we need now is the sum of interior angles. So the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees, which is equal to n d5. So it's 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which is 3 times 180 degrees, giving us what? What is 180 times 3? 540 degrees. Then taona kuti it's 540 degrees, that's the sum of everything. Then kuti tuane x, we have to understand the essence, which knows the sum. So sum, we are individually adding every angle inside the shape. Saka, we are basically going to say 150 degrees plus 90 degrees plus x iyo, kutangane e, tuenda pane e topesrane iyo. So it's plus x plus x plus x should be equal to chi? 540 degrees. Saka, let us simplify the left hand side first. 150 plus 90, 240. So 240 degrees and plus x plus x plus x, that's 3x, is equal to 540 degrees. Tawana 540 degrees, saka 3x is equal to 540 degrees minus 240 degrees. Kureva kuti 3x is equal to chi? What is 540 minus 240? 300 degrees. Saka, basically dividing both sides na x gives us x are equal to chi? 100 degrees. So if we come here, we can safely say this is equal to 100 degrees, iyo futi 100 degrees, panapa futi 100 degrees. Okay, so let us now deal with b. Saka, b is the same process. And by same process, what do I mean? We count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 sides. Towana the sum of interior angles, kanangoti sum of angles, given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees, which means 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees, and which is 6 minus 24. So it's 4 multiplying 180 degrees, which gives us what? What is 180 times 4? Should be 620. It's actually 720, my bad. So 720 degrees. 720 degrees, but 720 is the sum of each individual angle added up. Saka, we are going to do the same. 115 degrees, 140 and in this direction, plus 105 degrees, I meant plus 100 degrees, plus 2x, plus x, plus 2x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, correct, is equals to 720. Let us solve left first. Saka, we are saying 115 plus 105 plus 100. We get 320. So 320 degrees plus 2x plus x into 3x plus 2x into 5x. This goes to 720 degrees. So 320 kaenda uko, 5x is equals to 720. Subtract 320. So what do we get up? If we do the subtraction, we got 400 degrees. Then of course we divide both sides na 5. Saka x in get equal to chi. 5 into 5, 1 into 40, 8. So x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 80 degrees. So that is the help we had. To those who want to join us, those who want extra support and extra lessons, you get us on these numbers. And also these ones. Thank you for being with us, and we will meet on our next lesson.